Baby. Never to be caught on fresh. Show your true face. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, and guys, it's been snowing here in Finland non-stop. Can we say it's been snowing cats and dogs? It's been raining cats and dogs. Yes, it's been crazy, and it's so frustrating. It is so depressing. I have not gone out of this house for like no, I've been going out almost every day. What did I want to say? So this is going to be like a weekly vlog. I'll just take you through my week and let's see how it goes, because I've never done this before. I always do daily vlogs where I just take you through my day, but today is Monday, like I said, and I wanted to go out to do some shopping. I wanted to go to Zara, and I wanted to go to the makeup shop as well to get some things, because my makeup, like, there's some small things that I need. But the way it's snowing here, let me just show you how it looks outside. I don't even know which part of my house this is. I don't know if this is the front part. Snow has covered everywhere and it's just getting me confused. So this is our situation, and imagine going out. The snow is like 6 inches, literally 6 inches. Imagine going out with a pram, pushing it, and struggling. I'm just thinking of the struggle, and I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to make it, or maybe I should just stay home. Anyways, I've not eaten since morning, and I have something that you guys will like. This one, this combination. Who remembers this combination? Like, I used to eat this a lot back in the days, especially when I was pregnant with my first child. I'll wake up every morning. There was a guy that used to sell it in front of our house. 250 francs for half bread, 1 egg, and small sardine, like one small fish. But this is what I'm about to eat now. And guys, don't mind, I actually baked this myself. I did not bake it from start. I got it like this. This is how it comes from the shop, and then you just take it and you bake it, so it's easy for me. This is what I'm going to eat now. Darlene is also here waiting heavily. What is it, Mama? You want to eat? You want to eat, baby? I'm wearing Darlene's shoes because I I used to laugh at Kenna when Kenna was training Myra to walk in shoes, and it's a real thing. You have to train them to walk. They have to walk on their feet, and then they walk in shoes as well. They shoe the two in our look at the shoes. So I wear her shoes at home, even though she does not like walking a lot. But she has to know that shoes are a part of dressing or whatever. You have to learn to walk with shoes, Mama, okay? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Darling now knows how to say Mama. Yeah, Mama. Oh. Mama. Mama. Look at this. All that is left now is pepper. I don't have pepper. I rarely have pepper at home because I don't eat pepper like that. And more to that, Darlene is around now, so, and she eats everything that I cook, so I rarely do extra pepper and keep. But with pepper would have been the icing on the cake. But this is just wow. And then what these people do is they take small oil from the sardine, and then they honey. This is life. If you're from Cameroon, I know you understand this. Eating this thing is so difficult, guys. You have to have, in fact, this is something that is very difficult to eat, especially in public. It's like burger. Very crunchy. Not eat. You want to try? You have to eat. You have to eat. Let me give you egg. Take. I've eaten almost half of this bread, and the way my body is doing me, I'm already too full. So let me try again if I can continue, because I know myself, this is literally what I'll eat for the whole day. And that's the thing, I don't eat a lot. I don't eat a lot, but I have one bad habit. I eat late a lot. Yes. Now I won't be able to eat anything until maybe 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Before going to bed, I'll start feeling hungry. Why are you shouting? I'm officially full. So the way I'm feeling my body now, Daddy is supposed to be sleeping by now. So I'll maybe just follow her and sleep because my body is doing lazy. But this snow is not even giving me enthusiasm to go out. So I'll just cover my bread. I still have a little bit of sardine. I'll just cover the bread and then I finish it later. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, and honestly, I don't know how yesterday ended. Let me put on the lights. Wow. After I ate the bread, I passed out on the sofa, and the rest was history. I didn't leave the house. I didn't do anything else. Yeah. So today, it's super snowy. It's like there's a blizzard outside and I really have to go. I don't have a choice. First of all, I need to take Darlene outside. She needs to play on snow, so that's the first thing. And if that goes well, maybe later on we'll have to go to the shop because I need to do some toy shopping for Darlene. The toys that she has outgrown them, so I'm hoping that I'll do all that. But before that, let me show you guys something. Let me just show you guys what's here. Darlene sleeps with me on my bed. She's been sleeping with me ever since I gave birth to her. She ran away from her bed, so she's old, and I decided to get like a travel bed. This one. This is it right here, and I just put it close to my bed. The war has been real. Struggling to sleep, train Darlene to sleep on her own bed has been real. As you guys saw, she slept with me. She sleeps with me. It's not been easy. But this bed, I like it because every day I just fold it if I want, and in the evening I release it. So it's up to me. But yeah, I've not been having good sleep all this while because Darlene, guys, no. Sleep training Darlene, I'm almost giving up, and I feel like I'll give up. Maybe I'll start again next 2 weeks because I've not slept for like almost 10 days that I've been struggling. She cries, and she still does not sleep on her own. So yeah, anyways, let me just go and start my day. So Darlene and I are going out now for her to go and play on snow. I think this is going to be her first experience on snow, and this is how she looks. Darlene mama, are you excited? Last year that I gave birth to her, there was no snow in Finland, and this year it's been crazy. It's actually, I don't know, I feel like it's a blizzard outside. But let's just go and try. I'm also going to take some pictures of her on snow as well. And yeah. Baby! Yeah. that lasted like 5 minutes because the snowstorm outside was real. I had to rush with Darlene inside. Yeah, so I can't even go out. That's cancelled. And I don't have food at home, so I'm just gonna try to see what I can put together. I might probably just eat scrambled eggs the whole day. Oh my god, send us rain a bit. This kind of weather is depressing. Okay, I want to get something to eat now. It's Wednesday morning and oh my god, yesterday night I had a good night's sleep. Yes, but guys, I've never seen snow in my life. Like, I've never seen this much snow. Anyways, Darlene is up, as you can see. I'm trying to keep the place a little bit organized. I'm just gonna feed her now. The snow cars, like the people that take off snow from the road, have been working the whole night. So hopefully I can take Darlene out and go to the store and at least get food, like just basic food. If not, if I can't use the pram, I might just have to baba her. I'll put her on my back. I don't know. Yes, whatever happens, happens. But I'm desperate. I have to leave the house. I can't stay inside. And once I leave, it depends how good the condition is. I might just go and get to the city center because I need so many things from there as well. So right now, Darlene is waiting for her food. Like, she's already, like, she's sucking her mouth. So she's very hungry. I'm just gonna quickly feed her, and then we prepare to leave. Guys, do you see how snatched I look? Figure 8 is a goal. I'm looking like a painting. I have a waist trainer inside, okay? Yes, that's what I do nowadays. Anyways, Mama, give me room. Let me make food for you. Now you have to give me space because this kind of body. In this new house, there's no dishwasher. That's why I liked that my baby girl house, because I was really living my small baby girl lifestyle. It had everything. It was small, but it had everything. I can't even remember the last time I had to do dishes the way I've done in this ever since I came to this house. But do I even have a choice? Now I do dishes sometimes twice a day, safe. I swear. But it's okay. I just want to cook something really fast, and from every indication, I'm not sure I'll leave this house until the snow is clear outside. So I'll make something that I feel like will take me for 2 or 3 days, and something that Darlene can eat as well. This is the second attempt to go out this week, and yeah, I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know if we are going to succeed, but I'm really hoping, because guys, I'm tired of staying inside. I really have to go and buy food, you know, groceries at least. Wonders. There's not on 4 high Suti. I don't even know it again. Say, wait, how do I used to go to get to the bus stop? Wait, I used to go through this place this way. Mama mia, this is the worst I've ever seen. Like, this is literally the worst. My god, let me just try. Let me try. The road, it's really bad. I doubt I'll even succeed. I'll try and see where I'll get to, because man, wow, that was an epic failure. We could not even go out. Like, there was no way to even push the pram from the door. So I'm so confused right now. I don't know if I should baba Darlene. The store is not that close to me. I don't know if the bus driver is going to let me enter into the bus with Darlene on my back. I'm just so, wow, this is really bad. This is actually getting scary now. Wow. 2021, I have changed. You guys say I really used to hate to make up my bed. I don't even know how to make up bed. Like, it was not my thing. But now, your girl is making bed every day. Like, I don't know if it's the new house or if it's the new year, but something just entered into my spirit and I just changed, like, automatically. They say when it's time, it's time. Okay, so it's time. Guys, I told you guys about this traveling bed, right? Darlene does not like to sleep in this bed, so I might just fold it up and abandon it because I'm tired of the sleep training thing. It's so difficult. I've not been sleeping, and yeah, maybe we'll do it again next time. Anyways, today I just have filming to do. I don't have anything much to do inside this house. No, I have to do laundry. So I'll just do a selection of the clothes. Ever since we got into this house, my washing machine has been acting up. So I finally fixed it 2 days ago. I've been doing laundry back to back because our pile of dirty clothes was like this. So I'll just continue today. Like you guys know, I'm still trying to put things together. In this house. So everything is not in its position yet. So it's still crazy, a little bit crazy. I'll do mostly Darlene's laundry today. Mama, go that way. Do you know that you're a very short person? You know. Since December, I've not done laundry, so imagine. I'm doing laundry back to back every day in this house. Before I continue, I have to do my packaging. I have to put my waist trainer. Yes, we do this every morning. So guys, I finally had the opportunity to leave the house today, and it's because Kelly is here. She came from school. Her school is very close to this, my new apartment. Oh my god, even walking is not easy. I don't think I'll leave this house in the next maybe 3 to 4 days. Jeez, this is too much. So she's here. She came. She's on break, and I'm just running to the shop to get some stuff very fast. She's with Darlene, and then I'll come back with you guys. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? This is snow everywhere. Like, it has covered the playground. Let me just show you something. If I put my leg, how deep it goes. Look at. Can you see? My entire leg. Yes, that's how serious it is. I'm not even show you guys well. It's like they are shooting a movie here. And wow. So the broadcast, you guys see camera apparatus. Right. It's the only movie setup. If you see, I'm sure these people, they are celebrities among, but because of our luck, let me go in my group. Kelly, say hi. Say hi. You want to go find your grave where I'm for you? Say hi. Never to be caught on fresh. Show your true face. I'm not wearing my wig. As Auntie enters, let's see. I will just move grave finger. Show your face. Show your real face
I
here.
didn't even dress fast. I don't move my clothes. I won't fit.
Get used to it because there are days that you will be caught on fresh on this channel. So get used to
Please,
it.
guys, I'm not ready for you guys today. Tell me, Mama, wait now. Eh, Sally, take off.
Show your face.
I didn't move on. The line. I didn't throw this thing down.
Kelly, but that's not
No, there's no place to throw.
No,
I took my phone. I took her so loud.